Hi friends, this is the rate I old Monk and today we are with the Nokia 2.2 and we are going to do the unboxing of the device. This is an Android One device. At the back what it is given here, you can see it comes with a 5.71-inch display which is a 19:9 aspect ratio. It has Google Assistant button, it comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, it has a face unlock, it doesn't have any fingerprint sensor. At the same time you are getting a 3000 milliampere battery in the box. Now talking about the device, we will take out the device here. This is a black color device and also the price point I will show you later. Here you can see that device, this is a black color, the other will be a steel color. The device feels very light. I guess the battery is not inserted in the device, it has only a rear single camera. Here you can see the battery is given separately. This is a 3000 mAh battery. Other than that, there is some paperwork regarding the safety guide and the user guide information. This is what we are getting in the paper guide. Now talking about the device, you are getting a charger which you can pause the video and check the rating of the charger. Definitely this is now fast charging adapter, but here you can see it comes with a micro USB charging support. And now we will put on the battery at the back. It comes with a polycarbonate back and looks pretty much similar what we have seen that 2 years back the devices were, because nowadays all the devices coming are the unibody devices. They have the battery inside it, you can't detach them. This is after a very long time we are seeing this. And here you can see the dual SIM card support and also the micro SD card support. The speaker grills are at the bottom. Now we will fix the device. Now talking about the box price, in the box price it is given 9599, and on the side you are getting the power button, volume rocker keys, there are speaker grills, Android One return, 13 megapixel camera with LED flash, there is a Google Assistant button dedicated on the left side of the device. In the front you are getting a 5 megapixel camera. It has a 5.71-inch SD plus display. Now we will talk, we haven't talked about the pricing yet. The original pricing of the device is 2GB 16GB will be coming for 6999, which is 7000, and 3GB 32GB is coming for 7999, which is 8000 for the device. So this is what the device price is. On the top you are getting a 3.5mm jack, on the bottom you are getting a micro USB charging slot with noise cancellation mic. Talking about the device, it doesn't have any fingerprint sensor, but it comes with the face unlock, which is a good thing if you like to do the face unlocking, but it doesn't have any fingerprint sensor on the device. Now coming to the settings, we will check out the settings. This is a 3GB 32GB variant, and going to the settings directly, the apps what are installed in the device are typical what are the Google apps comes with the device. There is nothing extra installed for the device. Now going to the system settings and we will find out what it is running. The device is running on Android 9.0, which is a Android Pie, and definitely it will get the Android Q also, as the company said. This will be the cheapest device which is committing that the Android Q will be sure shot coming for the device. Now talking about the processor, it comes with the Helio A22 processor. Definitely it is not the high-end processor. It can do the nominal work. This is an entry-level smartphone. Here you can see around 288 MB software update is there, but my battery is very low. I will put it into a charging mode, which is a good thing. You will find this in a Nokia very regularly, that you will get the updates very frequently and the security patches come on every month. So this is the good thing. Here you can see it is 32GB variant. The RAM is 3GB for this. The another one is the 16GB internal storage and 2GB RAM. Now going to one more thing, which is a camera in this device. Now we will also check the camera part. What inside the camera we are getting? Inside the camera we have a 13 megapixel camera with LED flash at the back. In the front we are getting a 5 megapixel selfie notch, which is a good thing. And talking about the settings, it comes with a very nominal settings, including the square, photo and video setting. Now going to the video, we will check out the resolution for the device. Here you can see it asks for a shutter sound, which I definitely don't like it. Now talking about the photo resolution, here you can see at the rear you can change the photo resolution 13 megapixel in other resolution if you want. There is also in the front you have a 5 megapixel. Now talking about the video resolution, You can shoot full HD video and HD video from the rear camera. In the front camera you can also shoot full HD video and HD video. So this is what we are getting with the device. Now talking about this, the device will be available in the top retail store. It will also available on the Nokia website and also on the Flipkart. These are the platforms which it will be available. It will be going on sale soon from 11 June 2019, and pre-booking starts now on the official website, and it has some geo offer with the device. We are not making any gaming video for Nokia 2.2 as this is not a gaming smartphone. This is an entry level smartphone. So this is all about Nokia 2.2. This is at the rate @ioldmonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.